Hello schoolBic users, in this tutorial video I will show you how to create an employee in your school management system. The process of creating an employee is easy and straightforward. Without any fussing around, let's get started. So I will log into an administrative account and navigate to the Employee module, and from the drop-down menu click on the Employee tab, and here you can see all of the employees you have created in your system. You can block an employee from being able to log in their portal by toggling on their account. Simply click on the toggle button and the employee will not be able to log in his or her account again till you remove the limitation, and to enable the employee to be able to log in his or her account again, click on the toggle button again to disable the blocking also. To know if an employee account has been blocked from access his or her portal, you will see the bulb icon in red color, and you can edit or remove an employee account by using these buttons respectively. Also, there is a search bar to enable you easily find an employee account. And to add an employee, click on the Add Employee button and enter the employee informations like name, username, email of the employee, and etc. Fields that are marked with asterisk are compulsory and should be fielded. The next thing to do is to assign the employee to a permission role in your system. Take note. The employee will be able to have access, see and do what that user role has been granted permission to do. We'll have created an in-depth tutorial video regarding giving and limiting permission to user role in your school management system. You should check it out to learn more. Next, select the employee department and designation. You can upload the profile picture of the employee here. Select the means of communication for the employee, and lastly, click on the Add Employee button to create the employee account. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial video, don't hesitate to get in touch with us or contact your account manager. We'd be glad to hear from you. Thank you for choosing schoolBic.